Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Ashland local and long distance movers near me. If you're looking to take the anxiety and stress out of your move, our competent movers help make your long distance move more convenient. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 2,000 miles away, our team will assist. Moving isn't easy. However, using the right moving services can certainly make it a lot simpler. If you're looking for a basic move or a full service move, we offer all the choices you require, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. If you need to work with a California moving company, justifying the expense can seem difficult. However, when you begin to realize the benefits, the price seems well worth it. The time savings you gain can make hiring a moving company one of the best choices you made. Movers can also make sure you don't need to think about injury because you won't have time to do any heavy lifting. When you choose our movers, you get pros ready to make your local move extremely easy. 3 Movers understands how to streamline your move. A move that may take you all weekend to complete, we can manage in one afternoon. If you need to hire a trusted Ashland moving company, you want to contact us now. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Ashland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.